how can you export your account data in Signal? So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to export your account data, you just simply have to open your Signal app. And after opening the Signal app, you will get to see this profile icon into top left corner. Simply select the profile icon and after that tap to account section. Now, after coming into this account section, you will get this option of your account data. Simply select your account data and after selecting that, you will get two options in order to export your data. First one is export as TXT, which is easy to read because of the text file, and second one is export as JSON, which is machine readable file. Just simply choose the option which is suitable for you. I'm choosing export as text. Now, after choosing the format, simply tap to export report and tap to export again. And after doing this much, your data will successfully be exported. This way you can very easily do that to your account too. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.